Hello everyone, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So this time I'm going to show you how to perform combos, attack combos like this. If I press this attack once, this is like this. If I press it twice, uh, one after another with a short time, it will perform these two attacks. And if I attack three times, it performs this third attack like this. Alright, so let's get started. So this is how the combo should work. When I press attack once, it should perform this basic attack, and if I press attack again shortly after the first attack, it should perform this different attack. And if I press attack shortly again, it should perform a third attack, which I haven't imported into project yet. So if I didn't perform the attack button shortly after the first attack, then it should perform this basic attack. So so this is the third attack I'm going to use. I have already downloaded and imported it here. Yeah, this is the third attack or the power attack. Alright, and first I will fix that behavior I just told you. That means so how to detect if I press the attack button shortly after I perform the first attack. This is how I can do it. So I'm gonna add a do once node here, then I'll add a delay of let's say 3 seconds. Not I'll get the length of this one. Not really, I can't get the length, so I'll add a 3 second for now. Let's see if it works. Then I'll add a sequence right here, and after a 1 second delay, so this is the window that I have for to perform the next attack input like this. And from this input I'll reset this attack. Okay, let's see if that works. So first attack, second attack. Actually this delay is too much. Let me first check how long these animations are. Now this one, how about these two? 1.5 seconds. And here I'm playing them in like 1.6 second rate, so I'll add a delay only of only 1 second like this. So no, it is something is wrong definitely. Let me okay, so this works when I put 0.6 seconds here and 0.3 seconds here, so like this. Press once and we'll give it a little more time, then press again, only the first animation. Yeah, and if I press twice in a short period, it plays the second animation like this. And so how to introduce, actually there is another problem we have here. So if I keep pressing the second button again and again, then it will keep playing this animation. So to prevent that, we can do something like this. I'll go back here and what can we do? I'll add a switch on int here like this, and if it is 0, it should go in this path. If it is 1, it should set this attack count back to 0 and add a delay of let's say 0.6 seconds, and reconnect here like this, so that we can make sure in this way the second animation will not be played one after consecutively. Well, it is not working. Let me check again. What did I do wrong? Yeah, I haven't plugged this one here. Right. Sorry about that. Stupid mistakes. Okay. Nope. Not yet working. Okay, the problem I think is I get -1 for this because of this part. So instead of making this one minus minus, I'll set this to 0 like this. Set attack count to 0. Alright, now let's check. Right, now that works. Right, this is the way I intended to happen. Now let's see how to add this third animation into the sequence. So this is the third animation. First I'll create an montage and I'll add these sounds. One swoosh here, play sound, and swoosh. Another swoosh here, play sound, swoosh, and I'll add a shouting sound as well. Because this is the power shot, so better to have some specialty than the other two, right? And I'll add that animation to my list here. Standing for 2, I think this one, yeah. And here I should make this one 3, and I should add another point here, and I should connect this here, and for the 1 I should connect this one to, let me think, I can do something like this. So after 0.3 seconds, if the attack count is 1, that means not 1, 2, that means I have performed another attack. So I'll add this node here, and I'll do the same thing, I guess. Connect here. Let me think. Well, I don't have to connect it here. I'll just add a delay of 0.6 seconds here, and yeah, basically the same thing like this. And for this part, I'll do the same thing like this and make it 0. And here I'm not going to set it to 0 if this attack count is 2. Or bigger than 1. That means I have again, sorry, not there. So this true means I have performed another attack. So therefore I should not decrease the attack count, because otherwise this part would never be executed. Let's check if I am correct. Right, I think I am correct. Right, so that's all for today, and see you in the next video. In the next video I have to fix this problem of let me show you. So this, if I press the movement button like this, you can see when I'm attacking, this character is sliding on the floor. And next time let's work on how to fix that problem. Alright, see you in the next video. Goodbye.